In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation bar menu in Tableau using buttons and containers. If you're aiming to create a sleek and user-friendly interface for your Tableau dashboard, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to enhance your dashboard's functionality and appearance. First, start by launching the Tableau app. If you're not already familiar with Tableau, it's a powerful tool that lets you transform data into interactive and shareable dashboards. With your Tableau app open, proceed to access your worksheet. Your worksheet is where all your data and analyses live, so having it ready is essential for the next steps. Next up, navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard is where you will bring in and organize your data visualizations and other elements to create a comprehensive user experience. We will focus on adding a navigation bar that will serve as a critical user interface component, helping users easily move through various parts of your dashboard. The next step is to drag a horizontal container onto your dashboard. You can find containers in the Objects section, and they allow you to group related elements visually. To make the container float, meaning it can be placed anywhere on your dashboard, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard as you drag it into position. This flexibility helps in precise positioning within the layout of your dashboard. Once your container is on the dashboard, adjust its size by clicking and dragging the corners. This resizing ensures the container fits well and looks cohesive with other elements on your dashboard. A well-sized container is crucial for a polished look and effective user experience. Now within this container, drag in a navigation button. The navigation button will serve as a clickable item that allows users to move from one view or sheet to another seamlessly. Following this, drag a text object into the same container. Edit the text to label your navigation button, providing clear context or instruction for what will happen when the button is clicked. It might be something like Go to Sales Overview or any other section relevant to your dashboard. Next, click on the navigation drop-down associated with your button. This drop-down is where you'll configure what happens when someone interacts with your button. Click on Edit Button, which will open the button's properties. Here you can select where exactly the button should navigate the user to. This could be another worksheet or a dashboard, depending on your design. Make sure to align this navigation with your overall dashboard flow to keep users engaged and informed. Lastly, add a title to your button, then hit Apply and OK to save your changes. This title should be simple and descriptive, indicating to users the purpose of the button or where it will lead them. Once done, review your dashboard to see how it all fits together. And there you go. You've successfully created a navigation bar menu in Tableau. With these steps, you can greatly enhance the interactivity and user experience of your Tableau dashboards. Thanks for following along, and happy data visualizing.